What's going on, guys? Dumb Logger here. I'm going to show you a little bit of unloading. Just starting to post content. Going to be posting daily content. So if you like seeing the woods and stuff, if you have any questions, I'd like to answer them. I'm doing this for a good while now. Run a Ponzi Buffalo. Upper Peninsula here in Michigan. This is just some pulpwood, but here we got a nice 10-foot basswood log to throw off to the side. So yeah, I'd appreciate if you guys subscribe, give me a like, follow, whatever. Starting multiple platforms also, like Facebook, TikTok. I've been doing this stuff since I was like 20 years old, so my grandfather did it, my dad did it. I think my great-grandpa did it. Never got to meet him, but so yeah, if you guys like seeing the woods, you got any questions or anything, let me know.